So to make this more groovy, what we're going to do is we're going to split up the two pattern between the kick and the snares. Hey guys, Kyle here for another edition of Woodshed Wednesday. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're at the kit and we're continuing our conversation on polyrhythms. Today we're going to take that 3/2 pattern that we worked on last week and we're going to go over just a couple groove variations that you can do with it and really use these in a song context. So I'm just going to play the pattern on the hands from last week and then we're going to talk about how we're going to vary this up. So if you remember, we have 3 in the right hand, 2 in the left hand, split between the hi-hat and snare. So to make this more groovy, what we're going to do is we're going to split up the two pattern between the kick and the snare. So we're going to put the 1 of the 2 on the kick, the 2 on the snare. Check that out. Really useful groove. You can flip-flop that to make it a little funkier. Just a couple useful grooves. Try them out and I'll see you next week.